Hi, it's Kai. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing what I've been doing in quarantine and a little tutorial of how I get ready to take my Instagram pictures. Since we've been home all day, I've had more time to sit there and read. I usually never read anything, even books for school, but recently I've been reading, and also I've had way more time to finally start drawing again. In my whole life I've wanted to be an artist, so I'm excited that I finally have time to focus on that again in a way that I couldn't when we were in school. Then I'm going to start doing my makeup. I'm going to start off with a lip balm just to stay moisturized, and then I'm going to use the Moonshot Glassy Fit Cushion in shade 201. It's hydrating, it has SPF 50, and it's full coverage. And then I'm going to use the Bretman Rock Babe in Paradise palette. It's a highlighter palette, but I like that it's shimmery, and I use it, the last two shades, I mix them together and make a bronzer. And honestly, doing makeup in quarantine just makes me feel like I'm finally doing something with my time, because we have been here for like 3 months since I live in New York City, so I'm getting really unmotivated at this point, and you can see in the clips I look stressed. This has been my favorite palette recently. You all know the James Charles palette. I'm using the orange shade as a blush. It was really strong. I looked shocked, but then I blended it out and it was okay. Since I'm using the James palette, are you guys watching Instant Influencer? Like, I want to know, who do you think is going to win? I think probably Ashley, because she's good at everything. And I'm also going to go ahead and put that onto my eyelids so that there's a base color under my liner. Taking a smaller brush, I'm going to use the same orange shade that I used as a blush, and I'm going to put it where my eyeliner would go so that I have something to guide me when I start doing eyeliner. And I'm also going to take a slightly darker orange shade and put it in the same place so that I have something there. And then recently I've been doing eyeliner using the black shade of the James Charles palette and a really thin liner brush, and I just outline it first and then I fill it in with the same brush, using only the black eyeshadow. I don't use anything else or put any liner on top because I don't have any. As you can see, I'm making the liner really big, and I've been inspired by a lot of people on Instagram who do really big gothic liner. And I just like the way that it puts a lot of emphasis on your eyes and draws most of the attention in your makeup look to your eyes. I'm using the same orange color, and I'm going to use the same brush that I put on my eyes before and fill in my eyebrows. You can clearly see I've shaved the end of my eyebrows off because I like making it higher. First, using shade Juicy O of this lip tint, I'm going to put it on my whole lip, and then using shade Eat Dotori, I'm going to use this on only the inside part of my lip and create a gradient. And I like the way that these two colors work together and have a warm tone. Going back to that slightly darker orange, I'm going to make my blush gradient as well and put this on just the high points. Then I'm going to use the Bretman Rock palette again and use a lighter shade as actual highlight. And I'm just going to put it with my finger because I think that's what applies it best on my skin. And putting it on the high points and also on my brow bone. The last thing I'm going to do is add a little shimmer to my inner corner. So I'm going to be using the lightest shade of this Kaja palette in Toasted Caramel. It's number 3. It comes with 3 shimmer colors, and I'm using the lightest gold one only on my inner corners. I am finally done with the look. Then after this, I continue to change my clothes and get ready to take pictures for Instagram, but I don't show that in the video. If there are any other looks that you would like to see me do, any colors, anything specific, you can comment down below. And I've also been drinking a gallon of water every day. You can join me if you want to.